Dito kami ngayon sa Boss Coffee. Sa kalukuyang hindi pa ako natanggap ng ano, kasi full time pala inanap nila. So ayun, si Angel.
Hey guys, we made new friends. Yeah. So we're done sa Boss Coffee.
Full time pala hinahanap nila, bes.
Ngayon lang kami nag-bring ng resume.
First time.
Sa kafehan.
For the first time. Try ko mamaya kasi may madadaanan akong O-save.
Grabe, job hunting na kami, guys.
Grabe, adulting.
Adulting stage! Oh my gosh.
Kailangan na ng pera.
Yeah, we need money. Cause why not? Yeah, ang ganda talaga. Ba't ko yung camera niya? The sky! Kasi, tipid tips guys. Pag kakain yung friend nyo, tapos nauuhaw kayo, doon na lang kayo sa may service water, di ba? Tipid tips! Right? Right? Yeah. Yeah. Right? Yeah. There's a lot of mga food stalls dito. And I don't know, I haven't tried them kasi a lot. There's a lot of human beings ng magandang food stall. Oh, ang cute nito, phone charms. Oh my god, look at that, guys. I didn't know that. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig niyo ako kasi ang daming ingay. Okay, so we're going there. Try namin pumasok. Kasi, wala lang, for experience. Just like what I did kanina. For experience din yun yung interview. Why not? I mean, you only live once, diba? Are you feeling
Dizzy.
dizzy?
Because I'm looking through the
Moment. Just feel the moment. Ikaw din, PJ, maghawak ako.
I almost quit. That's so embarrassing.
Here. Hi, Kitty. Bye. So far, wala pa akong nagugustuhang bilhin. Buko! Buko! Gusto niyo buko? Buko. 20? Sabi 20! This for 20 pesos? What the hell? What a scam! Sa Pilipinas, bawal kang magmukhang tayo kasi peperahan ka nila. So we're going to the church. kaming tatlo. Pero I have a spare, pero iisa lang siya. I hope it'll last hanggang mamaya. Hanggang mag-uwi na ako. Last spot ko yung pinsan ko. Nagda-drone. Excuse me. Yo, what's up? Hi! Nagda-drone siya, guys. What's up? Hey, guys. Oh. Guys, look at Jollibee.
With our Pascuan celebrations. Mga kabalika, may
Hulaan yung height ko. Makahula ng height ko, lilibre ko ng appear.
Can I exchange
Ate
three?
naman, puro utang. Gusto mo bang makidnap, girl?
No.
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 So you should stay here. So we're going to buy bibingka kasi I've been craving bibingka since last year.
Barya ko dito ng isda.